This is my Tucson Amateur Packet Radio TNC, very early model. This is from the early 80s. The chips tell me that it looks like production middle of 1983, and I have it hooked up to my my Apple, which has a very stable serial interface. And I'm going to do some quick calibration, show you how calibration was done back then. And this thing is turned on. I've already set up the, obviously the serial interface. There's a whole bunch of things that have to be set up. Most of the default configurations are correct. It does have a self-calibration mode, where I guess the modem sounds, the AFSK tones feed into themselves. And I've already set the jumpers, but I want to show you here. I'll just hit cal, right, and we're going to do number 1. It actually tells you which jumpers to pull off the board. I've already done that, and basically for this exercise, the CWID and the reset light will be used as an indicator on jumper 36. So if I go on 36 and it tells me that I'm CWID, you have to go anti-clockwise to restore this. Eventually what's going to happen is right on frequency, both the CWID and the reset light will turn on at the same time, and that'll let me know that we're in a good position. I'm sure that over the last 30 years the calibration has changed somewhat on this device. I don't have a very good screwdriver, unfortunately. Oh, I think I just passed it. Right there. So both are set up like that. So now I'm able to go here and hit any key to continue. And the error is 0. 0 being perfect, acceptable, according to the manual. This is a several hundred-page manual. According to the manual is 2 or 3. So that's exactly where we want to be. Basically, I just have to go through these settings and get everything all set up so I can hook it up to a radio and see what we can get.